What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you guys how to change the tubes in an Avalon 737. So first what you want to do is remove all the screws and then remove the top plate. Now once we got that removed, as you see on the left are the tubes. Now the next step is to gently wiggle the tubes loose and pull out. And once you did that, you can go ahead and repeat the same process for each tube. Now once you're done with that, take out your replacement tubes and please use gloves when installing these tubes. You don't want to get oil on the bulbs. Now push down firmly, wiggle it in if you have to, but make sure it has full connection with the prongs. Then you just repeat this step with each individual tube. Now once you have done that, make sure you put the top plate on and tighten the screws firmly. And then you can go ahead and install the Avalon to your rack. Allow about 15 minutes for the tubes to heat up when you power it on before use. Please go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe to the channel if this has helped you.